How to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can transfer the USDT from Bitget to Binance. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to transfer the USDT from Bidget to Binance, you just need to follow the steps. First of all, open the Bidget app onto your device. After opening, you will be able to see this home page. And here, in order to withdraw, you need to verify your account first. But I'm just going to tell you a brief process on how you can do it, how you can transfer the USDT from Bidget to Binance. So after entering your home page, you will be able to see these functions on the screen. After that, I just want you to tap on assets. At the bottom, you can see a bunch of options: home, market, trade, futures, and assets. I want you to tap on the assets tab. Just go to asset tab. And here you will be able to see the withdraw option. Just tap on withdraw, and here search for USDT. Just search for USDT and tap on USDT and tap on on-chain withdrawal. After that, you need to enter the withdrawal address and network. So what you need to do is just get back to Binance app. You need to open the Binance app. After going to your Binance app, you just need to tap on deposit and click on the deposit crypto and select USDT. After that, just select copy the network address and withdrawal address from there and just paste it right here. And here you need to enter the withdrawal amount, and just like that, you can transfer the USDT by confirming the withdrawal and entering your payment methods, your code, and all. After that, you can easily transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance by following those steps. So therefore, by following those steps, you can transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.